All right, gonna do a quick and dirty unboxing and review of the, I don't even know how to pronounce this. We'll say Jaibaile 143 scale RC drift car. This one was sent to me by Linden RC 215. Let's see what's in the box. Special thanks to Linden RC 215 for sending this to me. I won this as a prize for supporting the content creators on Urban Legend RC's Fun Zone, which you can catch 9 p.m. Eastern Time, Tuesdays, Thursday, and Sunday nights. It's just a big group chat about RC cars, so be sure and check it out. I'll have that in the description below. All right. So first and foremost, we have a transmitter. We got some cones. And more importantly, we have the car. And this one is patterned off of a certain famous car, the late Ken Block's Hoonicorn. Don't think this is licensed, but we do get a nice Gymkhana on the hood and some maybe Monster Energy on the trunk, or on the roof, excuse me. Let's see how it runs. All right, so our power switch is on the back of the receiver. Go ahead and click that on. We do have some speed control, light controls, and then I think the trims are separate for left and right. I don't know how well I can get that on there. But yeah, let's give this thing a little run. So when you turn your receiver, it will blink until the car is on. And then on the bottom, we've got us a switch right here. So now we have our light control, head and tail light, and then we have hazards. So that'll give us hazard lights, or we can turn those off, have solid lights, or this button here turns the lights off altogether. And yeah, we'll go ahead and just have the lights on normal. Almost. Uh-oh. There we go. All right, there's just a quick and dirty look at this thing. It is actually pretty quick for what it is. I don't know if the ping pong table is the best surface, but certainly easier to film it on this. So there it is. And again, I want to say thank you, Linden RC 215, for sending me this out. Thanks, guys. Bye.